What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over 6 reasons on why you want to make money on the internet. But if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. So 6 reasons you should start making money online. We're talking about a system called $25Dollar1Up, which is my main business. It allows you to earn 100% instant commissions. But I'm gonna give you guys 6 reasons on why you should want to join this company right now at this time with everything going on. So my first thing, guys, is it helps you get paid daily. Okay, so you can get paid every single day with this system. It's very unique, and right now, okay, so many people who are unemployed, have no job, still waiting on unemployment. It's very, very, powerful when it comes to somebody needing to make some money the same day. Now, I want you to think about your job if you still work, or think about any other work from home opportunity. When you do that, that sale, or when you create that sale, are you paid instantly? When you do the work at your 9-to-5 job, do you get paid instantly? Or do you get paid weekly, bi-weekly, once a month, or or are you on a fixed income? How do you get paid? Now, let's say you had something come up where you need money at that moment and you don't have it and you need a way to come up with it. If you're a part of $25Dollar1Up, you have the ability to earn up to $1,000 instantly, okay, at whatever level you come in at. You have multiple levels: the gold, platinum, diamond, elite, enterprise, and elite, okay? Those levels allow you to get paid instantly once somebody buys one of your products. And once again, we're going to show you how to set everything up and do everything. My second point is, it gives you the tools, okay, to build your own brand. Now, if you can see my shirt, guys, this is Cash Addict. This is my own brand. I was able to do this with the training that's inside of the system at the diamond level, okay? And you can also earn $250 at the diamond level by referring somebody to that level. Now, I was able to, create my own brand, which is Cash Addict, Team Cash Addict. And the system itself, of course, is its own business, but it allows you to put your own YouTube videos, your own pictures, you make your own bridge pages, your own autoresponder messages. You are able to brand yourself, and in those autoresponder messages, you can put, once again, YouTube videos, just give out value, free training, where it's you. What most people don't understand is people join people and not businesses, okay? People join people. If you are a real person, you're a leader, you're giving back value, you're teaching people how the system works, you're making YouTube videos, all of that great stuff, guys, you will be able to generate more sales by building your own brand. And this system gives you the tools, the resources, and the training that will allow you to do that, even with no experience, okay? I didn't have any experience and none of this stuff, and this system, like I said, allowed me to gain skills when it comes to building my own brand and myself. The point number 3, okay, is it makes it easy to do the selling and the telling for you. Coming in with no experience, no marketer experience, no online experience, no marketing experience, you can still make money with this system, because once again, inside of the system comes with testimonials, comes with proof, comes with a proven system that's made people $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, okay, just by using the products that's inside of the system. Over $1 million have been generated. Over $1 million have been generated to marketers like me and others who are part of $25Dollar1Up. And once again, no brainer of, no monthly fees, eligible to earn 100% commissions. If you think about all of the opportunities out here, you're not earning 100% commissions and you're not able to get paid instantly. Fourth reason, guys, is this system also give you more ways to promote multiple streams of income. It's very important that you're not putting all of your eggs in one basket, but have you a main business. Like my main business is $25 1 Up, and I also have multiple income streams that this system will allow me to market through. My lead gen secret, $25 1 Up, have funnel pages for that. My $20 travel business, they also have funnel pages for that as well. And there's other things that you can add in here. Point number 5 is you can quickly make your initial payment back. A lot of people, this is what stops a lot of people from making money online, is they see a startup fee, they see that they have to invest. That's the part I don't understand, because if you were to be a business owner, regular business owner, whether it's physical or digital, you can't start any business with no money. Okay, that's the only thing that I don't understand, about certain people that say, oh, it's a scam, or you have to pay to get started, or I want something free. Just keep in mind, okay, that money is energy. Once you generate energy with money, it can come to you. Unlimited money can come to you, unlimited funds, okay? I'm a spiritual person, I'm a spiritual being. I believe in manifesting, I believe in creating the thought before my reality. So that leads me to my next one, where you could point number 6, where you can escape the traditional 9-to-5 rat race. Now, this system is not a quick get rich scheme. You can't become a millionaire overnight, but you can make a full-time income just by selling the products that are in each level. The gold level, the platinum level, the diamond level, the elite level, the enterprise and the elite level will allow you to earn commissions daily. Say you come in at the diamond level, now you're eligible to earn $250 for each referral. So if you refer 4 people for that day, guys, that's $1,000 that you have already accumulated. Now let's say you did that for 4 days out the week. You do the math, that's more than a full-time income. Most people don't even make $400 a week, okay? Most people don't even make $500 a week, or they get paid, like I said, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, or on a fixed income. This allows you to get paid daily once you generate a sale. Payments come through while I was asleep, getting some good night rest, to woke up to some commissions. I'm with the family once again. I'm with the family. We're having a good time. We're sharing each other's time. We're giving back value to each other, and boom, PayPal notification come through like, here's $250. Here's $100. Somebody joined with you at the platinum level. Cash out notifications. This system allows you to get paid on autopilot, and I find that really important, because of how life is set up. Most people have a lot of things going on. They have kids, they want to spend time with a significant other, they want to travel. You can work anywhere. You can work from anywhere with this business, as long as you have a computer, smartphone, internet, and can read English. You can make money with this system, okay? It's a global business opportunity, so no matter where you're at, as long as you can read English, you can get started work from home based business. Now, if you want more information, click the link above or below. Wherever you're watching this video at, just make sure that you go ahead and get started. And I will see you guys on the inside of the system.